Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 5 Hand-on Exercise 1 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exams, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Sort the data first by category and then course title both in alphabetical order. So sort the data and click the data tabs and go to the sort and filter groups. Click the sorts and the data first by category and then by course the title and at the second level then by course titles and both in alphabetical order and click OK. Next is use the subtotal feature to sum number of total resident sale and total non-resident sales and total sale by category. So go to the data tabs and go to the outline groups and click the subtotal and sum the numbers function and click the total resident sales and total non-resident sale. Total non-resident sales, total non-resident sales, and total sale by category, and click OK. So question number 1 is complete, and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is leave the existing subtotal value and the second level subtotal is the change the numbers to the instructors. So go to the outlines and click the subtotals and add each change into instructors and leave the existing subtotal value and the second level and click the remove the subtotal value and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is collapse the table, show grand total on you. So collapse the button and expand the total to show the grand for and category. And next is expand the table to show the entire tables and show the entire tables. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the outline feature to group the column. Go to the data tabs and go to the outline groups and click the auto outline and modify the existing outline and click OK. Next is collapse the total sales and collapse the total sales. So question number 4 is complete. So assignment is done. Please click OK to submit the assignment. Click OK the assignment and check the scores with Excel Chapter 5 Simulation Exercise 1. Excel Chapter 5 Exercise 1 Simulation Exam is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.